Your department is adopting the 2-bin supply management system. 2-bin is a simple way of ensuring that the right products are in the right place at the right time. The system relies on 2 identically stocked bins for each item, one placed in front of the other. When the front bin is emptied, it's removed from its position, placed on the top shelf in the empty bin collection area, and the rear bin is pulled forward into the front position. When you take the last item from a bin, remove the bin and place it on the top shelf in the empty bin collection area. Then, pull the back bin forward as shown in the following clip. Once an item is removed, do not return it to the supply bin. If you take an extra or incorrect item, place it in the bin labeled Returns. A supply chain staff member will return it to the proper bin. Wait until a bin is completely empty before removing it. Do not consolidate the last remaining items from the front bin into the back bin. The turnover rate of a bin is used to set stock levels. Emptying the front bin early and overstocking the back bin causes inaccurate use data to be collected. When you are not certain where to find an item, refer to the item list. Items are listed in alphabetical order along with the item's location on the shelf. Supplies are categorized into 7 groups, each with a unique color. To further assist in locating items, bins will be labeled with color-coded labels. Oversized items may be stored outside of a bin. In these cases, a reorder card is used to signal the need for stock replenishment to supply chain staff. When a reorder card is uncovered, it must be placed on the top shelf in the bin labeled reorder cards to ensure the item is restocked by supply chain staff. Failure to place the reorder card in the proper bin will cause a stock out in the supply room. You may find various methods of managing bulk supplies in your supply room. When uncertain, look for instructions on the reorder card. And that's all there is to the 2-bin supply management system. After a brief adjustment period, you'll notice reduced delays to patients, reduced stockouts and call downs for supplies, and a reduced risk of expired items remaining on the patient floor.